It starts small, a glance, a touch, a word that feels wrong, a shadow that clings a little too close. But silence is the soil where these things grow. Silence from the victim, trapped in fears. Silence from the bystander, afraid to get involved.
Hindi ko nga siya kilala eh.
And in that silence, a darkness takes roots. It whispers that it's not your problem, that it's just a joke, that you're overreacting. But those whispers are lies. Harassment isn't about sex or power or attraction. It's about control, about taking away someone's voice, their freedom, their sense of safety. It thrives in the shadow, in the unspoken fears, but a single voice, a single act of defiance can break the chain, can shine a light into the darkness and remind us that we are not alone, that silence is not our only choice.